Schwartz here. I'm going to teach you this cool little rock and roll song. We need 3 chords and 1 note besides those 3 chords, and a little lick. So the first chord is an E power chord. The other chord we need is an A power chord, where you strum these 2 strings. So the E power chord is these 2, A power chord is these 2. Then we need a B power chord, which is still strumming these 2, and that note. Okay. Then that note I was talking about is going to be middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, which is a G note. So it starts like this: two down strums on the power chord of E, then again, then middle finger on that 3rd fret right there. So it goes 3, 4, rest and then we go to the A power chord. 2 down strums on that, then the B power chord, middle finger again on that 3rd fret of the low E string. Then it starts over. So here it is really slow. So it does that again. Then when it goes to the B power chord the second time through, it's down, down. You can keep your first finger there, but then you have to strum the top 2 strings down, down. So it's like B, B, E, E. And then E again. So here's what we have so far. And the E power chord again. Then we're going to go ring finger on the 12th fret of the high E to the 10th fret on the high E. You can pull it off. And the 12th fret of the B. Then you can slide that down to the 10th fret with your ring finger on the B. And we're going to pull off to the 8th fret. So then when the verse comes in, finally, you can keep your first finger there, but it then becomes a B power chord. Then it's A, B, E, A. Now they're then we're going to build up on that B power chord right back into the chorus that I taught you in the beginning. Here's the whole thing. Boo, 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 boo. We're going to go to B now. A, B, E, A. That's the whole thing. Then build up on the B. Chorus. Double it.